Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the turnout right here. It's pretty much done. It's not going anywhere. Don't judge the floor. I gotta sweep and get all this dirt. But anyway, this is what it is right here. This is the final product. Bracket on this side. And then I have a bracket on that side. Screws going in. Just to give more reinforcement. This is my build. This is the way that I build it. I will break it down. I went, instead of a 2x4, I went with a 2x6. 2x6, and I think this is about 4 feet. This is a 2x4 itself. This is a 2x6. 2 more inches out, just to give that support down there in the middle. As y'all see, y'all look at the brackets. Y'all see the brackets there. Okay. Okay, y'all, so y'all see right now, this is what it looks like.
I'm really trying, I just don't care about this game right now.
Got those last little 2 pieces, got this on the bottom.
I either gotta play something else
so
or
we
I
getting...
gotta call it for the day. I'm shocked, guys. I can't play this anymore.
Alright, y'all, so first time ever pulling this material out. I'm gonna let y'all know straight up, this is the premium material. That's the type of person I am, type of spirit I am. I just like to go ahead and be top notch. So this is the most expensive material that you can buy. Got this off of Amazon. This is the size. I'm gonna show y'all. If you watch my other video, I already put up what I bought thus far to start. So this is what it is right here. I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all see that? See the size? That's exactly what it is. Okay? Let y'all know. There you go. Now, let's get straight to the video. As you see, I got it up. Let me step back. Now, this is bad lighting, y'all. If you work a job, you know what I'm saying? I'm an entrepreneur and I work. So, you know, On the grind, baby. But I'm just showing y'all the measures. I promise that I'll take y'all step by step. So this is literally, what's today, Tuesday? This is the night that I'm doing it, stretching the material out. And I'm just doing it slowly, okay? I'm doing it slowly. So mainly I got the sides gripped on a little bit. Let me show y'all. So I have the sides gripped. I have the sides, as y'all see the corners and stuff. I have them just gripped, tugged, I guess you would say, just enough to where it can hold and support as I pull from the top and bottom and the bottom and top. So I keep going, I go back and forth, right? Because the objective is just to get, they have the guides, I call these like the guidelines, these are yellow. The goal is just to get these as straight as possible, but also get your material as tight as possible while doing all this, okay? So that's the goal. This is my first time doing it, as y'all see. So if you wanna watch, if you wanna know how I built this frame, go watch, go check out my YouTube video, go check out all the other videos that I have uploaded pertaining what I've bought and how I built my frame. So I did mine differently, a little bit differently than most others that, you know, they have uploaded or showed you how they built their frame. But I mean, it's not hard, you know, it's easy. You can build just a regular square frame and lean it against the wall. You can do it that way. There's several ways that you can build your tufting frame. Mine's is very durable, it's sturdy. This ain't going nowhere. I ain't gonna necessarily push on it, but this ain't going nowhere. Tufting material. So yeah, this is, I like to say this is day one. Make sure y'all don't see. One thing I can say, guys, this is a messy, you know, this is a messy art. Very so.